Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashid, and today I will brief you that how you can use bookmark. If you are reading any document and then you think that you have to left the reading, so you can put a bookmark there, and whenever you want to read again, then you can find that place from where you left the reading by bookmark. So by which way you can do it, I will brief you. So just follow me. For example, i'm reading I'm reading, and on on that place I think that I have to left reading, because I have to, like I want to go something, any towards anything, like I think that I have to now go for to play cricket, anything. So then I will, where am I? Yes, here I am. So here I will put I will put a bookmark here. I just click here where I want to put a bookmark, right? Then go to insert. Here is bookmark, and add a new. Oh, sorry. Here I will rush it, and I will add that bookmark, right? So I'm here. I will just control S to close, then I will open again and close. So now I will go to insert, bookmark, Rashid, and go to close. So now you can see that I'm here from where I left reading. So this is the way by which you can use bookmark, and this is very important, and you can use when you are reading some theses and some long documents. So this will be very beneficial. So this is all from this tutorial, and inshallah see you in next one. Thank you.